Hello, good evening students. Let's have a look over the positive and negative deviation from Raoult's law. Positive deviation means what, student? That is vapor pressure is coming more. So that is PA is coming more than what, that is P naught A XA. Okay. And PB is more than what, P naught B XB. So vapor pressure of each component is more than more. And here what is, that is negative deviation, what they are, student? Vapor pressure, if you talk about, student, vapor pressure of each component is less. Okay, each component is less. अब vapor pressure is more means delta H mixing is more, and vapor pressure less means delta H mixing is less. And delta vapor more means volume is more, and the vapor less means that is volume is less, negative. Now let's have a look over the point. AB interaction are weaker than AA and BB. AB means what, student? That is A means solute and B is solvent. So they are saying that is solute solvent interaction are weaker. Then that is what, solute and solvent interaction. AB interaction are stronger than AA and BB. So in this case AB solute solvent interaction are stronger. As a result, what is, that is volume is decreasing, delta H mixing is coming more, negative. Okay, now here you see, student, in the positive deviation, if you talk about positive and this is negative, so in positive deviation what is there, student? That is, you see the vapor pressure is coming, what is more, here is what is coming, this is more, so P total is also coming more. Okay, now in the negative deviation what is coming, it is the less, you see, that is P naught A, P naught B, both are the less is coming. What say? Okay, students, you see some more point. Do not, both are not obeying the Raoult's law. That is positive deviation or negative deviation, both are not obeying Raoult's law. Okay. Ab see, student, delta H mixing in endothermic dissolution, heat is absorbed. Here heat is absorbed. But here if you talk about, student, in the another case, so students, you can see that is the ideal positive deviation is endothermic process. Okay, so heat is getting absorbed, so that is positive, and negative deviation is what, is student? Exothermic. So heat is evolved, that is why the value is coming negative. Delta H equal to 0, so volume is increased after dissolution. Okay, if they are saying delta H is 0, volume is decreased after dissolution. They are saying here interaction PA is greater than P naught A XA, PB is equal to greater than P naught B XB. So here is PA plus PB is also greater than P naught A XA plus P naught B XB. Here in this case they are the lower. Here they are saying AB attractive forces should be weaker than BA, and BB attractive forces. A and B have different shape, size and character. AB attractive forces should be greater than AA, BB attractive force. A and B have different shape and size, character. Okay, A and B escapes easily, showing higher vapor pressure, okay, than the expected value. Escaping tendency of both compounds A and B evolve lowered the showing lower vapor pressure than the expected ideally. Okay, acetone and ethanol are the example of positive deviation. Acetone and aniline are negative deviation. Acetone CS, water methanol, water ethanol, CCl4 toluene, CCl4 CHCl3, acetone benzene, CCl4 CH3OH, cyclohexane and ethanol. These are the positive deviation, but negative acetone chloroform is negative because hydrogen bonding is formation taking place. Methanol acetic acid is negative, water HNO3 negative, chloroform diethyl ether negative, water HCl is negative, acetic acid pyridine is negative, chloroform benzene are negative. So this is all about the positive and negative deviation, student, that you can easily understand. Thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video little bit helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, dear students.